Hey everyone, today I'll show you YNAB Tutorial for Beginners. YNAB YNAB Budget is a budget tool that aims to help users take control of their finances by teaching them how to manage their money effectively and build a financial plan that works for them. It is built on the philosophy of giving every dollar a purpose and allow you to proactively manage your finances instead of simply reacting to bills as they come in. This method helps people avoid overspending and ultimately save for the things that matter most to them. YNAB helps you set up a system to prioritize your spending, track your income, and save money for future goals. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and is available as a web-based app and mobile application, making it accessible on both desktop and mobile devices. One of the key principles that YNAB operates on is the 4 rules of YNAB, which guide users on how to handle their money effectively. The first rule is to give every dollar a job. This means that every dollar you earn should be assigned to a specific purpose, whether it's for bills, savings, or discretionary spending. By doing this, you ensure that every dollar has a role, and there is no unused money that goes to waste. The second rule encourages users to embrace their income, meaning that you should only budget the money you currently have rather than relying on future income. This ensures that you are not living paycheck to paycheck. The third rule is to roll with the punches, which means adjusting your budget as you go along. Life happens and things may not always go according to plan, so this rule allows flexibility to shift funds between categories when needed. Lastly, rule 4 is to age your money, which is the idea that you should work towards using money you earned at least 30 days ago, not the money you've earned recently. This ensures that you are ahead of the game and helps break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. YNAB provides a highly customizable budgeting experience. Users can create budget categories based on their personal or family needs. Categorizers can be adjusted based on priorities, and you can easily organize them into groups for better visibility and tracking. Some common categories include rent or mortgage, groceries, transportation, savings, and entertainment. Additionally, YNAB allows you to track both short-term and long-term financial goals such as saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off credit card debt. You can set specific targets for each goal and track your progress, which helps you stay motivated and on track. One of the most features of YNAB is its ability to sync directly with your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. This feature ensures that your financial data is always up to date. YNAB imports your transactions, automatically categorize them, and provide real-time updates of your budget. You can customize these categorizers to match your budget and make adjustments if needed. This direct sync saves time and ensures accuracy, eliminating the need to manually input transactions or reconcile bank statements. YNAB also offers a variety of reports to help you understand your financial situation at a glance. You can view your spending trends, tracking your income versus expenses, and see how much money you have left in each category. The platform makes it easy to spot areas where you may be overspending and provides insight into how you can adjust your spending habits. This transparency allows you to make informed decisions about your money and ensures you are staying on track with your goals. The mobile app is a key feature of YNAB, enabling you to manage your budget on the go. The app allows you to add transactions as they happen, which helps you stay on top of the spending throughout the day. Whether you're shopping at the store or dining out, you can log your expenses in real time, ensuring that you always know where your money is going. The app also gives you access to your budget, goals, and reports. You can track your progress and make adjustments on the fly. YNAB support system is a robust and includes comprehensive tutorials, webinars, and community forum where users can experiences and tips. The tutorial guide beginners step by step on how to set up their budget and use the platform effectively. There is also a blog with helpful articles and advice on personal finances and budgeting. To get started with YNAB, you need to sign up for an account. Once you are registered, you can link your bank accounts and credit cards. After that, you'll set up categories and enter your initial budget. YNAB helps guide you through the process, ensuring you are ready to start budgeting right away. The system is intuitive, and you can easily track income and expenses to create a budget that works for you. YNAB YNAB Budget is more than just an app. It's a financial management system that aims to teach users how to regain control over their finances by focusing on proactive budgeting. One of the key aspects of YNAB is its approach to giving every dollar a job. This means that instead of just tracking your spending, you actively plan where every dollar should go before you spend it, whether it's for savings, bills, or day-to-day expenses. This approach helps to create a buffer in your finances so you're always ahead of your spending rather than reacting to it. Another notable feature of YNAB is the method called Age Your Money. The concept encourages users to spend money they're earning in the previous months rather than rely on the money they've earned this month. The goal is to build financial buffer that allows users to live on last month's income, leading to greater financial stability. This method helps break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and allow users to gain more control over their cash flow. YNAB also strong support for goal tracking. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or an emergency fund, YNAB lets you set up goals for various categories. It allows you to track your progress and ensure that you are on target to meet your goals over time. You can create both specific dollar amount goals like saving $1,000 for a trip or a percentage-based goal like saving 10% of your income each month. Another area YNAB stands out is its real-time synchronization across multiple devices. This means that once you make a change on your phone, for instance, it will instantly reflect on your desktop or tablet, ensuring that your budget is always up to date no matter where you are. This is especially useful for those who need to keep track of their spending while on the go. YNAB also designed to support multiple accounts and gives you a comprehensive view of your entire financial picture. You can link bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and even investment accounts. The platform will automatically import transactions, making it easy for you to stay on the top of your finances. However, unlike many other budgeting apps that focus primarily on transactions, YNAB allows you to categorize your expenses in a way that helps you plan for future expenditures rather than simply categorizing them after the fact. Furthermore, YNAB has a strong educational component. The app is designed not only to manage money but also teach users about personal finances. The creators offers free educational content through workshops, webinars, and tutorials, allowing you to deepen your understanding of budgeting and money management as you use the app. The YNAB mobile app is particularly useful for those who want to track their spending as they make purchases. The app lets you easily add and categorize transactions, ensuring that you stay within your monthly budget. If you're someone who struggles with impulse buying, having the app on your phone can be an important tool to help you stay disciplined with your financial goals. YNAB's customer support is top-notch. Users can reach out for help via live chat, email, or even phone support. The team at YNAB is well known for being helpful and responsive, guiding users through any issue they may face with setting up or using the platform. Additionally, YNAB has an active community where users share tips, ask questions, and support one another. This creates a strong sense of community for those who are new to budgeting or having specific financial goals. YNAB encourages a zero-based budgeting approach, which helps users allocate every dollar they earn towards specific expenses, savings, or debt repayment. This method ensures that your money is purpose-driven, allowing for a more organized financial plan. By prioritizing categorizes based on your needs and goals, you gain greater control over your finances and avoid the common pitfalls of living paycheck to paycheck. One of the most significant benefits of YNAB is its proactive approach to budgeting. Rather than simply tracking your spending after the fact, YNAB helps you plan ahead by giving you a clear picture of how much money you have available for the rest of the months. The platform allows you to budget ahead, meaning you can allocate money for upcoming expenses like rent, utilities, or groceries and prevent overspending in the future. The YNAB mobile app complements the web version, ensuring you can manage your finances on the go. The mobile app provides real-time syncing with the desktop version, making it easy to check your budget, input transactions, and adjust categorizes anytime, anywhere. This ensures that your budget is up to date whether you're at home or out shopping. YNAB integrates with multiple banks, credit cards, and financial institutions to automate the process of entering transactions. These seamless integrations means that when you make a purchase, the transaction is automatically imported into the system, saving time on manual entry. It also helps reduce errors, ensuring that your budget reflects your actual spending. Overall, YNAB is more than just a budgeting tool. It is a complete financial system designed to help you take control of your money. Whether you're saving for a specific goal, paying off debt, or simply trying to get a better handle of your finances, YNAB provides the tools and resources you need to succeed. By following the platform's principles and utilizing its features, users can gain a deeper understanding of their financial habits and make smarter decisions that will lead to long-term financial success. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.